Hi, hi Judoka, welcome back again to the channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you guys are good. Let's get right into today's video. So somebody I do know, I've reacted to this guy's video. I feel like I've done like I've done like 4 reactions. It's just that this particular one does not, it didn't come with any subtitle, or I'm just going to, I don't know, I'm going to figure it out, but definitely I will figure it out. I've loved their other series. There's one I'm yet to react to. Yeah, definitely try to do that. The one for the graduation one, I don't think I've even seen anybody react to it. I don't know why that is so. But yeah, let's get right into today's reaction. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like the video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and also support the channel. Support the channel if you're led to support. We need to get some equipment. I need to get an headphone. You can see I'm using earpiece, which is not really convenient for me because it's always falling out. So yeah, let's get right into today's video. Alright, let's do this.
Sabi nila, high school ang panahon ng kilig, masayang alaala, at higit sa lahat, wala masyadong problema.
That's one teacher everybody's afraid of. Automatically, everybody will become quiet. I can totally relate. So this one is high school Hell Week moment. Okay. Wow, I love this. Love the details.
Ano yung assignment ko? Ano yung scratch paper to?
Sa'yo yan. Salamat sa pagpakopya.
Ha? Ano ginawa niyo dito? Si ma'am! Good morning! Ma'am!
Sino yung mga nasa labas kanina? Kita niyo naman nagkandakuba ako kakabitbit ng mga gamit. Sige pa kayo patakbo pa loob!
Oh shoot, si ma'am pala yun.
Iyan ang subject to.
Research po, ma'am.
Research pa.
It's the eyebrow for
Ano
me.
yung ginagawa mo? Period ko to.
It just went on the ear.
May period
Oh
ata
my
si ma'am.
god.
Pass your assignments forward. 1, 2, hanggang 5 lang ha. Tatapon ko yun sa labas. 3, 4, 5, walang hahabol. Ano to? Ako pa pagtatapunin ng basura nyo?
Ma'am, yan po yung assignment ko.
Ay, di ako tumatanggap ng gato iya. Ano to? Kinalayag naman ako. Balik mo yan. Kung gaano kapansyado yung mga pagmumukha nyo, gaano kagusot-gusot yung pagpapasa nyo,
Ma'am, hindi po kasi ako may...
buti pa to. Kay Mr. Kaloy. Gayahin nyo to.
Salamat, ma'am.
Wireless?
Hindi niyo ba dapat ang boses na nagtatanong, ma'am?
Sorry po.
Umaga-umaga, pinapainit nyo yung ulo ko? Venn diagram chart ng qualitative and quantitative research. Prepare 20 title research proposals and a long quiz on or before Friday. Understand? Also, don't forget the sample survey questionnaires with a minimum population of 100. Bawal kapatid, bawal ka mag-anak, higit sa lahat, bawal taga dito.
Hala, 78 lang friends ko sa Facebook.
Also, the book report ng Florante at Laura from Kabanata 1 to 30.
Research pa ba yun?
At kung may singit pa sa schedule nyo, magdala kayo ng ugat ng gumamela. Anyways, our topic today is about choosing your research title. Your activity will be brainstorming for upcoming title proposal.
Ma'am, title proposal lang po, ano? Hindi buong thesis.
Actually, good idea, Iha. Why not make it a whole thesis instead?
Ha? Thesis?
Chapters 1 to 5, deadline will be next month.
Bakla, laro.
Next month, ma'am? Parang next month is a long time, ano? Good suggestion, ha? Kaya naman siguro ng 2 weeks.
Ano daw, 2 weeks? 2 weeks? Bakla na yung time-lapse.
Anyways, I need 4 groups for your thesis team.
So, bala 6 members po each, ma'am, no? Kasi 24 po kami. Ano?
Parang 6 is medyo marami, ano? Why not make it 4? Ay, malas yung 4 sa Chinese.
Ma'am, 4 po. Tama na.
That one student in the classroom, like, it is so relatable. That one student in the classroom that will not allow anybody your word. Like, why do you think you know it all? Why? And even if you do know it all, must you rub it on our faces? That's what this this character is doing. I've forgotten their names. It's been such a long time. That's what this character is doing. That's what is showing. That's the vibe that I'm getting.
Why not make it 4? Ay,
Oh my
kasi
God.
sa Chinese. Ma'am, purple. Tama na.
They've called about. Just will you just shut up right now?
Now! Te, kagrupo na tayo Gora, Caribel.
Oh,
Sino
Balong.
like,
May kagrupo ka ba? Kulang kasi kami ng isa eh.
Te, di ba sabi nila hindi daw advisable yung magkagrupo yung mga friends? Baka ito kasi yung dahilan para mag-FO tayo eh. Friendship matters, di ba? Sorry, te. Kala Jomar mo na ako, ha?
Sige na nga. Te,
Tayo tulong. Uy, pre!
oh, is this precious?
Paano ba yan? Wala ka ng choice. Tayo na ng dalawa.
Asa ka?
Sabagay, sino ba naman ako? Di na nga piniling maghatid.
Sige na. Tara na. Tayo na.
Are they still doing
na.
this? I thought they've made up. I thought they
na.
settled.
Tayo na magkagrupo.
Ah,
Anong kayo na?
So cute.
Sana lumingon ka na at
They started.
Andito ka?
Obvious ba? Oh. Oh. Oh.
Piloso po. Pero
silence! You have a new classmate? Kaka-enroll lang. Quick introduction, Iho.
Hello guys, I'm Jared. You can call me Cham Cham. I can't wait to be with you and spend the rest of the school year with you guys.
Okay. Start your thesis now.
Oh. Tara, paano natin sisimulan?
simulan. Ano na ako, pre?
Kagrupo ka pala. Okay na kami. Hindi na namin kailangan ng water boy.
Paano ka? Ano, pwede ka sa gawing bulilit eh. Pwede to, no? Gawing
Oh,
bulilit.
they're still at this.
Eh kung i-going.
Ano, magtitisis pa ba tayo? Kasi pwede naman ako mag-solo. Kaya pa na to on my own. Diba? Pero
Tawag na bang precious?
Hindi, paruhan lang kami. Diba? Goods tayo, diba?
Wala kami.
Tayo eh. Goods kami.
Anyways, ano? G?
Okay.
Ano?
Let's do this.
So they've made their own team now. What's going on here? Oh my god, I need something to drink. Us. Andre, school hall, hair week moment.
Now, I expect all eyes and ears on me. I need you to count by 1 to 4 for your group activity today in science. Okay, let's start at the front row. 1, 2, 3. Huh? 4. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 3. 1. If you can't focus, we'll have to take a moment until everyone is ready.
Bakla, focus kasi.
4 po pala. 4. Pay attention next time, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. O, next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Pre,
Tol, number 2.
dyan ako.
Will not continue until every single one of you is in their proper seats. Again. 1, 2,
3. Umay.
3! 3 dito, guys! Group 3! Ma'am, unfair yung group 3 puro nasa top. Te, bottom nga ako eh. 3!
3?
Teka, saan ka ba nakaupo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Confirmed, group 3 nga siya. Malas naman.
mga iba't ibang uri ng kagrupo. Sino ka dito? una, Zalip.
Roleplay na nga lang, guys. Natalo pa tayo. Hindi ko kasi sineseryoso eh. Now tell me, how are we going to win in life if you guys can't even finish this freaking project? Ngayon, sabihin niyo sa akin kung gusto niyo pag-graduate.
Mala CEO, Palawan. Kala mo naman sinasahuran, masyado laban na laban. The Secretary. Kadalasan sila yung may sulat na maganda. Sa sobrang ganda, papuntang langit ka.
Done!
Different
Ito
types
naman
of
yung pangatlo. Kung
group
magiging
members
katulpo
or group
mo to,
mates.
napakaswerte mo. The Road Star. Direk Lauren, ito na po sila.
Itunuring kitang kaibigan. Kung saan ka nagtatapon ng basura, tingnan mo, ang bundok na wala na, naging patag na. Tapos ang mga
Roleplay.
puno.
Why is she so serious though?
Hindi pa kayo nagsisimula.
Practice lang pala.
Oo. Dadako naman tayo sa panglima. Ay, pasensya may natutulog pala. The Timer. May maambag at walang maisip na gawin. Trip niya lang kayong galgal eh.
Guys, 5 minutes na lang! 5 minutes pa, wait lang mo! 5 minutes na lang! Kaya nyo naman dyan! Hindi naman dyan!
The Spy. Para siyang si Tom Cruise sa Manapitan. Manag Mission Impossible ang kopyahan.
Guys, mali ata yung number 5 natin. Nakita ko sa ibang grupo, iba-iba yung answers na tayo.
At yung panghuli, mag-jowa.
Ba't mo niya ng paper ka ko? Hirilaan pa rin ako.
Oo naman, Vicky. Weirdos.
So that would be all for the
Weirdos,
process.
yeah, that's the guy.
Very well said, group
You gotta
leader.
always say
Class, any
weirdos.
clarification? Ma'am, I have a question. Where does the plants by
I love, hold on, your question should, hold on. I love the quality of this particular one. Like, he actually took his time. I went for that long to shoot this one with good gadgets. Like, the quality is so crisp and clear. Gosh, I wish I had those kind of, gadgets. Or even if not, like, I wish I can just, like, have, right now I record with my phone. I wish I just had, like, a camera, a normal digital camera. When you are shooting, everything is clear. Or maybe I just have, like, upgrade my phone. It's so clear. Like, their skin is skinny. You can literally see their soul from their skin. That's how good the camera is. I love it. And also love their makeup. I love the makeup. Like, everything about this particular one is given. That's the word, capital letter, given.
Interesting question. Now, do you have any inputs, Group 4? Usually for that question, the carbon bonus... No, not you, Iha. Kanina ka pa sumasagot. The one behind you. Ako, ma'am? Practical research. Kunin natin ito.
Precious.
Ito na lang din kunin natin ito. Tapos, qualitative. Kunin to, kailangan natin ito. Actually, kunin ko na lang kaya lahat para mas marami tayong makikita.
Alin? Ito ba?
Oh, God. What's he about to do?
Sabi ko nga, akin na. Ito na.
Actually, wag na lang pala natin kunin. Hindi natin kailangan. Mape.
Sa'yo na.
Ano kaya magandang research topic? May suggestion ba kayo for a possible research title?
Ito. Better with the Body. Influence of childhood best friends in achieving motivation. Okay to, di ba, Precious?
Parang tayo lang.
Di ba?
Tapos kukuha tayo ng mga best friends.
Pakinggan niyo to. The influence of high school crush to Filipino romantic beliefs and peer relationships.
Relate.
Same.
Simula po nung una, hindi na.
I mean, hindi naman na siguro tayo mahirapan mag-survey, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi lahat naman siguro tayo dito nagkaka-crush.
Just we can gather sa grade 8 ng mga...
Uy! Actually naman, walang kwenta yung suggestion. True love lasts forever. The lifelong psychology effects of first love and attraction in adolescence.
Actually, kasi naniniwala pa rin naman ako sa first love eh.
Silence in the library.
Siya yun, mama.
Sorry, palakas ba?
Hindi halata.
Pwede to. Crushback analysis. The effects of mutual feelings of romantic love leading to marriage. Ba, wifey?
Wifey?
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi sabi niya.
Wi-Fi ba?
Di ka nililinis ng tenga, no?
Grabe ka.
Ay, may tutuli. Bro, ayusin mo naman suggestion mo. Ang pangit.
Awal ba? Pasensya ka na. Akala ko kasi group work to eh.
Punto ko lang. Ayusin mo suggestion.
Kesa naman yung sa'yo. Ang babaw. Baka mamaya yan pa yung kabagsak natin eh.
The effects of violence among students and aggressive attitude towards groupmates. Conflicts leading to thesis rejection that may cause a line of 7 na ikakabagsak natin, therefore wala tayong makukuhang trabaho, masisira ang future ko at future nyo, hirap na ako magbuhat, mamamatay din naman tayo lahat! What is this noise all about? Give me your IDs! The three of you! Get out!
Sorry, Precious.
Sorry na. Gusto mo sa bahay na lang tayo gumawa ng thesis?
Ba't sa inyo? Sa amin na lang, sa bahay ko na lang, Precious.
Ba't sasabi mo? 3 sakay papapunta sa inyo. Sa amin na lang.
Eh, hatid yun naman si Precious eh. Alam mo kung nalalayuan ka, huwag ka nang sumama.
I'll be right back. I need to take a quick snack. Back.
Nag-iisip ka ba? Mas malapit sa amin? Papaikuti mo pa yung tao?
Gawin ko na lang mag-isa sa bahay. Huwag na kayong sumama.
May kasabihan tayong kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw, kung talaga kayo na bahala dyan.
Ethan.
Joy. Tara na.
Group 3 maiwan na. Meeting muna tayo for our TLE. Next week na yung deadline.
Huwag mo silang pansinin. Dad na sa bashers.
Group 3, remind ko lang grades natin nakasalalay dito ah. Lalo na sa isa dyan.
Panira naman, no? Love, attend muna ako saglit, ha? Sige lang.
Okay, game. Perfect. Kompleto tayo. Guys, since this is a crucial project, why not mag-make tayo ng extra effort, di ba, sa TLE? Start tayo sa community service or
Leader? Diyan na kasi yung service ko eh. I-text na si Dad.
Sige, pero huwag mong kalimutan yung ano natin sa GC ah. Send namin later. Take care ka. Ride safe.
Di ba commuter siya?
Anyways, outreach program na lang kaya kasi punta tayo sa outside.
I can't go out. I'm sick. Sorry guys, I have to let's go. Took care.
Outreach program na tayo, di ba? So, feeling ko, mga bata na lang yung tutulungan natin since close yung kids. May suggestion ka?
No. May kailangan kasi akong bantayan na bata sa bahay. Kapatid ko.
Oh, kapatid. Sige, family first. Family is love.
Only child yun siya, di ba?
Only child. Teka, saan ka?
Tatrabaho muna ako, Joy, para sa future natin. Hanggang sa magtagpo ulit yung mga features natin.
Di ba, Lips?
Timer starts now.
Feeling ko talaga nagpapalusot lang yung mga kagrupo natin para hindi makasama ngayon.
Ano ka ba? Ayos lang. Yaan mo na. Basta ako, ayoko magalit ngayong...
Si Joy ba yan? San?
How much?
Got this, bro. Don't worry, it's on the house.
Thank you, love.
Sorry, I don't love you eh.
I don't love you too eh.
Si Joy! Parang si Joy! Diba sabi niya may babantayan siyang bata?
One hot Americano for Joy?
Joy! Joy! Narinig mo yan, Joy!
After pala ng October, November.
O, di ba Joy daw?
For Marie?
Marie? May kambal ba siya?
Marie, Joy ano ba?
Joyce God.
Joy! Di ba sinasabi ko talaga...
Hinabol na.
Habulin. Joy! Said Marie! Stop acting like you know my name. Stop acting like I own it. Hindi ako si Joy. And I will never be Joy. So stop comparing, calling me to her name. Si Joy!
Umayos kayong dalawa, ha?
Okay kami nito. Ako to eh.
Dito na muna kayo. Siya pala sa bahay.
Ma? Nay? Masok ka! Nay! Inay, dala ko na yung paborito mo pansit, oh! Ma! Huwag mo naman kaming iwan, Ma! Inay! Nay! Inay!
Ano nangyayari? Precious.
This again.
Precious, andiyan ka na pala. Sakto, luto na yung itlog ko. Oh, ano mo dito?
Oh, is this that our childhood friend?
Ano to? Akit bahay?
Mukhang to. Pet bahay.
Precious, sinaktan ka ba niyan?
Hindi. Okay lang ako.
Stalker ka ba, Fred? Wala ka respeto sa babae, ah.
Nak, may dala kang pansit. Dito na pala kayo. Sakto, pinagbantay ko muna si Brent para may maiwan dito sa bahay.
Di tama na po.
Ikaw na ba yung anak ni Don Charito? Laki mo na, poging bata.
Salamat po.
Kamusta mo ako kay mama mo, ha? Uy, okay pa ba yung negosyo nyo? Di naman sa nakikichismi ka, usap-usapan lang naman. Pero sinugo daw kayo ng lender? Eh, for staff.
Ma'am! Magmerienda na tayo. Nang ito.
I'm so hungry for. I'm just so hungry. So sorry.
Guys, pasok na kayo. Huwag kayong mahiya. Tara.
Pasok na! Kain mo na!
Ikaw na lang kaya. Ako na nga.
Sabog.
Ayos dito ah.
Huwag niyong pansinin yan. Sakmal!
Bakla baka makagat yan ha.
Ay, hindi. May injection yan. Nangingilala lang. Ano lang kayo?
Sure ka?
Diretso lang yung lakad kasi. Huwag mong pahalatang takot ka.
Kulong mo na lang kayo muna sa cage, te.
Ang alat naman.
So okay pa yung itlog ko eh. Saktong alat lang.
Ang di marunong magluto eh. Pasikat.
Sarap kaya ng itlog ko, di ba?
Pwede ba kumain na lang? Pati itlog pinagkakawayan mo.
Buti na lang kinontak mo ko kanina, Brent. Salamat na ka. Tinulungan pa ako mag-grocery.
Ah, tita, nagsusumba ka pa ba? Naalala ko kasi nagsusumba kayo ni Mama dati eh. Samahan kita mo jogging para healthy.
Dati pa yun. Diet na lang ako ngayon. Di ba, Brantanak, yung mga pinagkukuha ko kanina?
Green and leafy vegetables. That's really good for you, tita. Because you need fiber in your diet.
Tita, do you have a diet? I can help you. Maybe I can set a meal plan. Matutukan natin yung kalusugan mo. Diba?
Taray, Englishero na may budget pa.
Plan man naman eh.
They will embarrass themselves here now.
Ay, naku, huwag na kayo magkabala, iho. Kaya babait. Gentleman nyo rin palang dalawa, no? Para kayong itong boyfriend ng anak ko.
Boyfriend?
Boyfriend?
Does he attend the same? Oh, yeah. I remember the last. Oh. So what is he doing right now? I think so sad. There's no subtitle. You know?
Hello, tita.
Okay.
Opo, si Bran po to. Kamusta po? Tita, may ginagawa po ba kayo ngayon?
Miss kita na. Tagal mong di nakadalaw, ah. Busy?
Sorry po, tita. Miss ko rin po kayo. Hirap lang kasi hindi ko nasa mangyayari yun sa amin dalawa eh. Medyo
Nagkain laban. Gets ko na yan. Pagdaanan ko na yan dati. Pero mga bata pa kayo, naka. Huwag magmadali. Nakapabot nga ako ng pichel.
Sige, tita.
Bakit ang daming sinasabi ng mga tao sa
Ang dito ah.
Okay. Ikaw ay sinungaling, lolokohin ka. Iibanan pag nakuha na ang gusto niya. Sana lang ay huwag ka makinig sa kanila. Pagkat di nila alam kung ano.
Sorry. Kamsi ko.
Kahit anong ng hangin, mga salita.
Are they okay? Are they alright? Something wrong with you people?
Inat. Hot sauce nga. May hot sauce ka ba? Paabot nga ng hot sauce ko. Nandun sa...
Doon pa rin pala nakalagay yung mga condiments niyo. Naalala ko ng mga bata pa tayo. Di ba naglalaro tayo bahay-bahayan?
Ay, oo nga.
Ikaw yung reyna, ako yung hari.
At ako yung prinsesang sagip mo palagi. Oh, siya. Magtitimpla muna ako ng juice, ah.
Ako na po, tita. Tita, nidahan?
Hindi na. Ako na.
You better look at mom.
Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha? Medyo makalat. Ma, pupunta yung mga kaklase ko dyan sa bahay. Gagawa kami ng...
Paglilinisin mo pa ako? Perwisyo na lang talaga eh.
Sige po. Okay na, guys. Tara. Feel at home lang kayo, guys, ha? Okay, Maya. Ganda. Ala, ganda naman ito.
Ay. Ramona, tatanan nyo
Quick
yung
life.
laruan dyan, ha? Bigayan ng tita mong nasa abroad, wag nyong galawin. Kung mag-aaral kayo, mag-aral na lang. Di yung kung ano-ano. Ginagawang museum eh.
Uy, sakto may siomay. Kain muna tayo, guys.
Yes, please. Ramona, di pa tayo naghahapunan, ha? Tigi-isa lang tayo niyan. Sakto lang yan sa atin. Tansyado ko yan.
Okay lang, be. May biscuit naman ako dito sa bag. Gusto niyo? Tansyado ko na din to, tatlo.
Ramona, dyan na ata magdi-deliver ng tubig, oh. Oh, dinaanan ko na tong tubig, ah.
Oh, andyan na pala yung papa mo. Ramona, magmano ka?
Gogi, tatay niya pala yun. Oh, may mga bisita ka pala.
Magandang hapon po.
Sawa ko.
Be, ano nga password ng wifi?
Ramona, nag-online class yung ate mo, ha? Babagal pa yung internet eh.
Hotspot na lang, be.
Di yan. Ramona pa connect ako. Dali.
Laro to, bakla. Ba't mo sinend sa akin?
Huwag kayong maingay, Ramona. Nagmi-meeting yung ate mo. Oh, pinagsabihan na kanina eh.
Di mo naman sinabing library to say.
Sakmal? 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 Sakmal! Ramona!
Ma!
Bakit nyo kinulong si Sakmal? Alam mo naman di sanay sa cage to, di ba?
Sabi nyo kasi.
Tayo nga hindi kinukulong eh. Pag ito naabutan pa ng kuya mo, ha?
Ma, na-disconnect na naman ako. Ba't bumabagal yung wifi natin?
Mona! Sinasabi ko sa'yo, ha? Graduating yung ate mo. Pag yan di nakagraduate, pag-aarali mo yan!
Guys, pwede kayo mag-disconnect?
Teka lang, malapit na to. Guys, push, guys, push.
Guys, pa-disconnect na lang, please.
Sama lang, huwag maasim.
Nariyan ka, bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo. Tutugso. Hindi kita ipagkakailang. Aking diwata. Ito siya. Di makapagpalit.
Hoy, Ramona. Diba sinabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka mag-YouTube.
Ate, si Bogart po kasi nag-ENN.
Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa una.
What? You're fired!
Oh, sorry. Just trying to reach out to your internet provider kasi... Di ba nila alam na nag-online class ka? But it's okay.
Margination.
Internet naman yung mabagal. Pero ako mabilis.
Sakmal? Sakmal! Sakmal!
Oh, Brent anak, di ka pa ba hinahanap sa inyo?
God.
Anong oras na oh? Gagawa pa yan sila ng thesis.
Oo nga. Dapat umuwi ka na.
Kanina ka pa nandito nga din, no? Wala ka ba sariling thesis?
Right. Go ahead na po, tita. Night po.
Ayun. Sakto, game. Meron ako naisip na bright idea. Pwede ito sa instrument research natin, guitar. Ba? Ito yung electric guitar. O, classy. Kaya siguro wala akong taste eh.
Seryoso ka ba eh? Seryoso ba yung suggestion mo?
Pwede naman sigurong...
Flute! Di ba? Handy. Wind instrument. Magaan. Nadadala sa bag kapag dinadala natin sa school. Di ba? Pasok siya dito.
Precious, I'm sorry. Pero I think we should go for the drums. I mean, di naman pwede basta-basta lang yung research instrument natin. Thesis to.
Alam mo, sa dinami-dami ng sinuggest mo, dyan ako sang-ayon. Let's do it with a bang!
And a boom! With a boom and a bang.
Guys,
Research.
I don't think research instruments are supposed to be musical in nature. Pwede kayo mag-conduct ng FGD or focus group discussions, interviews, or even surveys. Those are the most commonly utilized tools to gather data that would be beneficial to your chosen topic.
Ang galing mo naman.
Parang chinat GPT mo lang yan eh.
Kaya nga, nakita ko na yun eh. Tumabang ka ng patas, tol.
Anyways, go ahead. Good night, Precious.
Salamat kanina, Brent, ah.
Oh, teka lang. Stay ka muna.
What for?
We're just looking out for you, pre. Anong oras na din o? Gabi na. Rush hour yan.
Coffee. Juice. Eto. Chili mansi.
So, pre, yung RRL, di ba? Review of related literature. Basically, related studies, concepts, or theories na magagamit mo sa...
Ayun nga yun, pre. Sakto! Yung nasa isip ko, yun din. Same tayo, ah. Same tayo.
So, kailan natin sisimula ng introduction?
Paano nga yung introduction? Di ba? Gusto mo ate?
May mga iba't ibang uri ng pangkat. Alam mo na, two boys lahat.
Ma, dyan ka muna sa baba. Gawa na kami ng project.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Wala na! Mapi lang to! Mapi! Music! Diba? Music!
Kailan yung deadline sa next project natin?
We only have 4 weeks before the deadline.
4 weeks is kinda late. We have to finish it tonight. Ano balita sa iba nating kagrupo?
Kabibigay na natin mga kanina. Kaya bukod sa atin, wala pa nakapagsimula.
Got that. Keep track of it. How about for the final revisions of chapters 1 to 3?
Hold on. Lahat tayo nakagawa na ng PowerPoint presentation.
That's what we can place mo, guys. Our food menu for tomorrow's thesis defense.
Nakabook na ako ng catering.
Genius. Have you guys made a final proofreading of our paper?
Choice.
Make it 5. Noted. I think we're just on time. Let's transfer the files now given the hard drive. Hard drive.
Hard drive. Hard drive.
This is nice.
Hard drive is crazy, guys. Don't you know the performance is like 30 days and 30 days like tomorrow? This is so crazy. This is so professional. This is not a Star Trek quality. I cannot.
Nasa kanya pala.
Guys, pilatunan kayo ha. May ginagawa lang ako.
Ito na lang pag-asa namin. Kailangan ko nang ilabas yung huling alas. Ang bag pala ha. Eto pansit tantul. If it doesn't work, then at least I'm tired. Gusto bang kulap? Just trust the princess.
Because we did all this one.
Guys, merienda muna. Kantunan na! Ay, nagusto ako lang. Ikaw rin?
Actually, Precious group actually put in the work. From what I've seen so far, actually putting in the work.
Oh, kala ko bumibili kayo ng yellow.
Tatlo? Ano? Ang bigat yung yelo. I can manage that.
Uy, nagjo-joke na siya. Gusto yung ka-partner mo.
Love that they did, I love that they didn't give up. I love that they, I love this lesson in this particular lesson. What was that word now? Be resilient. I think that's the right word now to use. Like they never gave up, even if it was a project. They were never tired. They kept doing. They kept moving on, and eventually they got what they wanted to get. No matter what it is that you're doing, no matter what you're going through in life, you should always be resilient. You should always be determined. You see the Precious group now. They didn't give up. Okay, they need to hang this mic now. They kept on with what they were doing, and they eventually got the yes and good score that they wanted. That's really commendable. Yeah, it's so commendable. Now it's time to celebrate. Like she's having feelings for the three guys. It will really be confusing and difficult for us to choose now.
Ako nga hanggang ngayon kaya kong ubusin yung isang buong pitsil eh. Kahit soloyin ko pa to.
Kaya ngayon. So, solo kit.
Ha? Mukha ba akong pitsil?
Come on, Precious. No, I'm not talking about the juice.
Come on, Brent. You know what?
Are you mocking me?
Ano ba?
Thank you, kasi tinulungan mo pa rin kami kahit wala akong mapapala. Alam mo kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ka naman makakapagpasa ng research eh. Parang ka naging ChatGPT, coach, financer, chef. Actually, ang dami mong pwede gawin, no? Pang husband material ka talaga eh. Swerte na mapapangasaw.
Swerte mo mahal.
Oh?
Ang swerte mo kasi mahal.
You guys are so cute. My gosh.
Mahal.
This is advised.
Precious, wala talagang yellow eh.
Tamis? Tamis na utos, tamis.
Cheers! O tapos, ano nangyari sa cupcake?
Yeah, that's the reason why we
Oh my God!
Iinom mo yan, pre. Yung sa akin naman, numistansya siya eh. Nahuli kasi ako kasama si Joanna.
Sino?
Si Joanna, kapatid ko.
Sino tatanong?
I know there will be a fight like a fight here.
Hindi,
So sad, I can't hear what you're saying.
Uy, walang recordan ha.
Wala.
Si Precious espesyal sa akin.
Do not get
Hindi
drunk.
naman sa nangihimasok ako ha.
Yes.
Pero, sino mang manakit kay Precious, ibigwas ako.
Same. I just don't want her to get hurt again. Talaga? Hindi ko ipaparanas sa kanya. Sisipin yung mga pre. Ano, mamahalin mo lang siya kasi may gusto kang itama. Ay, may gusto kang patunayan. Ay,
May best man win.
Gusto mong bumawi. Mali yun. Dapat, paramdam mo sa kanya na mahal mo siya, na sapat lang siya at mahal mo siya na buong-buo.
May laman din pala to.
Sa ChatGPT mo nakuha yan, no?
Lul! Marunong ka pala mag-joke, ha? Iba talaga nagagawa ng juice ni Precious, eh.
Favorite ko yan, eh. Grapes.
Oh, bro. Try mo to.
Ali Clappy!
Ano siya?
Hindi pa.
Ali Clappy!
Ito gagawin mo.
Isa mo. Tapos, kain. Buka mo.
Try mo lang.
Sarap yan. Sarap, diba? Masarap.
Oo, ginagawa naman yan dati. Natry na namin yan.
Sausaw. Seryoso kayo?
Oo! Oh. Oo, di ba?
Next group, Mr. Sean Bisagas, Miss Precious Batumbakal, and Jared Lispo. Tisisit, pansit. Ito yung araw na puno ng kaba. Hindi mo alam kung accepted or rejected ka ba.
So, good afternoon, everyone, especially to all the panelists. Advisors, and especially to my colleagues.
I like this guy, the one that brought out Go Precious and Friends. I love that it's not in competition with the other two guys. Those two guys, they're in competition with themselves. At some point, they were even competing with him. I love how he's just trying to get her on his own and not just, trying to fight with anybody. Do you get what I mean? I love it about him.
Researchers who attended this virtual conversation. So, good afternoon, everyone. So, let's begin.
Guys, nakabusiness na tayo na ba lahat?
Kala ko business.
Grabe, Will. Naganda talaga si Jomar, oh.
Ready.
Jomar, okay ka lang ba?
Jomar.
Jomar. Jomar.
Apaka-komplikado ng research nyo. Talaga bang na-approve to? Nirevise nyo ba to? Tingnan nyo dito sa scopes, oh.
Parang marereject tayo.
Don't worry, team. Ako bahala sa inyo.
What just happened? Did he freeze?
Ma'am, dear panelists, before we proceed, would you mind taking a snack?
This is defended!
Oh, nakamusta? Rose? Sado? Precious? Precious. Oo lang yan. Can still make it work. Ano?
I didn't get to see theirs.
Advice natin. Game.
Okay na, bro. Hindi ka na namin kailangan.
Kasi...
They tricked him. Oh my God, I'm cheering.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Diba? Finally. Thank you, Lord.
That's Precious, man.
Ang galing ko kanina. Nasagot ko yung mythology.
Di ba melody yun? Hindi na natututo.
Methodology, bro. Methodology!
Pero pasado! Yun yung pasado! Mismo!
Tapos na yung Hell Week pero di ko alam ba't grabe pa rin yung kabog ng dibdib ko.
Precious, who is this guy again? Who is this guy again? Who is this guy again that just came from nowhere now? Okay, I don't want to rush.
Babe?
Babe? You're not my babe. She is. Right, babe?
I'm sorry.
Oh, we're
I
sorry.
knew it. Such a walking red flag. Well, what would I expect from a cheater like you? Pinagpalit mo na nga ako sa cat-looking girl pa? We are over.
Problema yun.
Thank God.
Wait, did he just use...
What's up, baby girl? Are we on for tonight?
Hoy, ano yun? Harapin mo nga ako!
Yeah, babe. Everything's fine for me.
Hey! Yo! You turn! Face your back to me!
Face your back to me.
You jerk!
Jerk? Jerk? You called me a what?
You're a
Bili ka ba? Huwag mo kayong listen ah. Ano yun? Ano yung yakapan? Alam mo, huwag akong dinadamay-damay sa relasyon yung dalawa kasi ano meron kayo, labas na ako dyan. Tang-insulto pa talaga. Sinabihan ba naman ako cat-looking girl? Hoy! At least ako cat! Sabon!
Precious, precious, precious.
Burikat.
Let's go.
What the?
Sino ba yan? Kahit sino na sa ating tatlo. Huwag lang yung ungas na yan.
The best man win.
Right? May the best man win. That's it. That's on period. Oh my god. That's on period. May the best man win. Come on now. This is so beautiful. This is so my god. This guy is always like he's raising the bar every freaking time. Come on now. May the best man win. Like we have passed the stage of what do you call it now? We have done the assignments now. May the best man win. But wait, so is it only Precious that is in that school? What's wrong with the other girls that 4 guys is fighting for just Precious? You guys, what's so special about her? Like, she's one of my favorites. I don't know if that's because she's like the lead role, the main character in yeah, in each of the episode or series that they are pushing out. Anyway, what do you guys think about this one? This was really interesting. Somebody left it in my comment that I should react to it. I think I saw that comment yesterday, and I'm shooting this video today, few days to Christmas. It is 23rd of December. So yeah, I'm shooting this. Tomorrow is wash night. Merry Christmas in advance. If you are seeing this video on Christmas Day, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy your Christmas celebration. I hope you have fun, go out, and just have fun with your family and friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Like I said in the beginning, if you are led to support the channel, please do not hold it back. You can support me by buying me a sticker. You can support me by super thanking me. There's always a $sign in the comment section there. You can support me. You can send me a Christmas gift. My email is always in the description box. I will send you my address. Like, I will send you my address. I do not reject gifts. Okay, send me my Christmas gift if you want to support my channel. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next one.